Now children, another chemical property of alkenes is polymerization. Right? Polymerization means the method of formation of polymers. And reaction mechanism is based on addition reaction and free radical mechanism. Right? First member of alkene family is ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. This N is showing number of monomers. Children, repeating units in polymerization process or in polymer are known as monomers. Simplest unit of polymer is known as monomer, and repeated form of n molecules of monomers is known as polymer, right? And method of formation of polymer as polymerization, right? Addition reaction or polymerization of n molecules of ethene. Ethene is monomer under drastic conditions. It means specific conditions like high temperature, high pressure, presence of catalyst forms polymer. Here N is written towards right hand side. After addition reaction, then conversion of double bond into single bond, and two bonds are showing active sites for further addition reaction. Further addition is possible either from left hand side or right hand side. In this state, N is written towards right hand side. Here left. Left for monomers and right for polymeric for biggest chain or biggest molecule of monomers. Polymerization of ethene gives polyethene or polyethene. Poly, it means more than one. Biggest chain, longest chain, and this is commercial name polyethene. Chemical name is polyethene. It means polymeric form of ethene. Okay children, after alkenes, the next aliphatic hydrocarbon is alkynes. General formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. This is not new concept. This is related with previous unit, right? The study of basic terms, concept in organic chemistry, like in aliphatic family, right? General formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. N for number of carbon atoms, here N for total number of hydrogen atoms. Children, for unsaturation, first member starts from 2 carbon containing. Then for alkynes also N starts from 2. N is equal to 2. First member of alkyne family is ethyne. CH triple bond CH. Right? Triple bonds are present between carbon and carbon atoms. First member is ethyne. Eth for 2 carbon, ine for triple bonds. Okay children? Then isomerism in alkynes. Two types of isomerism. First is positional isomerism and second is chain isomerism. Right? Position isomerism means position of unsaturation is different. Position of triple bonds is different. For example, pent 1 ine or pentyne 1 and pentyne 2. What is the position of triple bonds? In this isomer at first carbon. In this isomer, triple bonds are present at second carbon. It means between second and third carbon atoms. And in this case, between first and second carbon atoms. Only position of unsaturation is different. Molecular formula is same. Then what is the type of isomerism? Position isomerism. Right? Another form of same molecular formula is the chain isomerism. Okay? Chain isomerism is structure of chain is branched. A small branch of methyl group is present. Conversion of this position isomer into chain isomer. Right? At first carbon, triple bonds 1, 2, 3, 4. At third carbon, methyl group is present. Its IUPAC name is 3-methyl-butane. At first carbon, unsaturation. Third carbon, methyl group. Okay children? Formula is same. Its formula is C5. Pentam is C5. How many hydrogen atoms are present? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. C5H8. Right? How many types of isomerism is possible? 2 types. Position isomerism and chain isomerism. First and second structures are showing position isomerism, and first and third. This is third structure. This is showing chain isomerism. Okay children. Now next concept in same content alkynes is structure. What is the common geometry, common shape of alkynes? Children, in alkynes, triple bonded carbon atoms are sp hybridized, and sp hybridized carbon atom is always attached with the two other carbon atoms, right? In ethyne, one carbon is attached with hydrogen and carbon atom. What is the attachment? One carbon with carbon and second with hydrogen. This carbon also with carbon and hydrogen atom. Geometry is linear, right? Because type of hybridization of triple bonded carbon atom is sp hybridized. What is its geometry? Linear. This hybrid structure is showing formation of sigma bonds only. How many sigma bonds are present here? You know, one sigma bond is present between carbon and carbon atoms, and one sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen, and second between carbon and hydrogen. Then comparison of this structure with hybrid structure between carbon and carbon. Between carbon and carbon, one sigma bond, carbon and hydrogen sigma, carbon and hydrogen sigma, right? Overlapping between sp hybrid structure and S. This is showing formation of pi bonds. Pi bonds means overlapping, sideways overlapping or partial overlapping between 2px, 2px. 2px of one carbon, 2px of second carbon. This is one set of pi bond. Second, between 2py of one carbon and same type of orbital 2py of second carbon. This is second set of pi bond. How many pi bonds are present in this structure? 2 pi bonds. This is one pi bond, this is second pi bond, and middle bond, middle carbon-carbon bond is sigma bond. Mode of formation of sigma bond along the internuclear axis or in horizontal manner, this is sigma bond, and in sideways overlapping, these are pi bonds. Half lobe above the plane, another half below the plane. Okay, children? Each and every content subtopic is important for very short answer question, right? Or what happens when? And what are the specific conditions for polymerization of alkenes like this? Okay, children?